Hey guys, today let's learn how to link our bank account over on Wise. If you guys are wondering how to transfer your funds from Wise to your bank account, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do that, step by step. Now, for those who are avid users of Wise, they are gonna be aware that using Wise, actually needs you to be in a specific country in order for you guys to link your banks. But there is actually a workaround on this. Just by tapping on this, send money on the middle, just tap on send, and proceed with choosing the specific currency. You could also choose international payment and also choose different currencies that you have on here. And with this, you can actually now proceed with tapping on and continue. And this gonna give you the option to send this money to a specific account that you have. So you do have an option to send it to yourself, someone else, or a business, or an organization. So you can actually proceed with entering the bank details of that, depending on the specific country, or also an e-wallet to send it to a specific e-wallet that is also partnered with Wallet. As you would notice, we have a lot of different e-wallet providers right here, and we could also choose a local bank account and enter the bank details of that person, and also link your own bank account on here if you wish to send your funds to your own bank account. And is that easy, guys? You don't really need to link your bank account, since it is not gonna be available, and it is only gonna be limited to selected countries. They can actually proceed with choosing a preferred currency over here, and then tapping on continue right through the send button or send money option. That is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and take care, and I'll see you guys on the next one.